I need you to do something very important for me.
Okay.
We have to find out if Charity was a virgin before she slept with Mr. Vincent. It's very important. I don't know how it's going to work, but we have to get it done.
How do we go about this now? This is a difficult task, although there is always a loose end to explore. But the question is, how do we go about it?
I don't know, we just have to find a way. I have to find out if she was a virgin before she met or before she slept with Vincent. It's very important that I know this detail.
Richard, why don't you just forget about this girl and move on?
That's impossible. I can't. I've tried severally to take my mind off it, take my mind off her, and just stay sane. But the more I try, the harder it becomes.
I am not saying it is going to be difficult, and I never said so. But you have to take it step by step. First of all, stop thinking about her. Stop thinking about what happened. Secondly, take away every item from your house that reminds you about her. Thirdly, don't send to your phone. Delete her pictures, chats, block her social handles. You can start from there.
It's easier said than done.
I'm trying to hide, but the memories are keeping me, holding me, yeah. After everything we've been through.
How dare you barge into my office like that? How dare you?
I'm sorry, sir.
Without knocking?
But what is the meaning of this? You removed me from being your personal secretary to the marketing department.
Do you have a problem with that? I'm asking you.
Sir, please. But I don't even have any experience in marketing.
When you reach there, you learn it. When you get to that department, you learn how to do it.
I love working with you. Please, don't do this to me, sir.
When you get to the department, you learn how to do it. Get your filthy hands off me and keep your honey pants to yourself.
Can we see later at my place tonight?
I said go and report to the new department you've been transferred to. Report to it immediately. And don't you come into my office like that again. I'm going to ask the supervisors to make sure that you keep up to date and keep in touch on how you're doing the job properly as a marketer.
Yay! Mama. Hey! Mama, I brought this little gift for you and my prospective wife. Charity. Eh? You are calling this little gift, Mama, is nothing. Eh? You should not have bothered yourself. Hey, this is too much. Mama, is nothing. What can be so important and more beautiful than your daughter, Charity? Eh? If I have my way, I will buy her the whole world because she deserves it all. Oh, nah. How can I make Mama talk the whole world? Adequate to this one, eh? May God bless you tremendously for all this. Amen, hey, Mama. This is too much. Clothes. Hey, Mama. I have not seen or heard about. Hope she's around. Oh, don't worry. Let me go and call her. Okay. Hey, I'm coming. Hey, Charity.
What are you saying? How can you say she has disappeared? I don't understand. You mean to tell me she has suddenly disappeared from the face of the city? Oh God. What is going on? Where is Charity? Yes, who is it coming? God.
Baby.
What do you want?
Oh, want it right here. Alright now.
Just get here! Get this thing out of me! Get this thing out of the surface!
Do not worry. I locked the door and the key is right here.
I am not interested in whatever mess you're cooking up right now. Get yourself and take your dirty pants out of this office! You think this is a job? And pick your dirty pants and get out of this office. You are insane! You've lost it! Get out of this office this minute. I am not interested in getting with you all. Get out!
You're going to regret it.
I will regret nothing. Out!
Mama, you are back. I've searched everywhere inside you. I did not see her. Maybe she went out when I was taking my bath.
No problem, Mama. Since she's not around, let me start going. Please, just tell her I came back. She should at least text or call me on phone. I want to hear a bit of her voice.
Don't worry.
No problem.
I will pass your message to her. And be rest assured that I will make sure that she puts a call across to you.
No problem, no problem, Mama.
Hey!
Let me be going.
Thank you once again for this. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, God bless you for it. Chimo. Hey! For real? This is good. Hey! 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 Where were you? I came inside looking for you.
Mama, when will this thing you're doing stop? When will it stop?
Look at what Williams brought for us. This is too much. It's big. Don't you like it?
No, you. Don't you think that this thing you're doing, it's getting too much? It's too much already now.
Charity, there is no end to success. As long as you keep on rejecting their offer to marry you, I will keep on accepting their gifts. Yes. You're looking at me. Keep on rejecting their offer for them to marry you until you will be out of market. Then, me, Helen, I will chase you out of my husband's house because you cannot remain here forever. Me, I'm in my husband's house. So you're supposed to go to your own husband's house. I'm not in my mother's house. Enoria? Come and help me and carry this thing inside. Come and help me. Else, if I cook it, or you will not eat.
Vincent, you dare use and dump me after giving you myself, after everything we went through together. You left me for a virgin girl, they say. I promise I'll make sure you regret this. Oh, I'm going to make sure you regret this, and I'm going to show you that you're not the only man out there. You're not the only man that can make a woman happy. You're not the only man that can give meaning to a woman.
Hey, Rich. Shut up, man. You having a conversation with her. Shut up.
Is that your ex?
Yep.
I see. Looks like you're still in love with her.
Hey, that's none of your business, alright? Can we just go straight to the point?
Fine.
Answer all the questions, please.
Okay. Are you still thinking about her?
What can I do for you?
You don't have to be that mean. I heard she cheated on you with the GM and also lied about her.
And how's that your business? Listen, I'd suggest you focus on why you're here. And if you'd excuse me, I have work to do.
It's not that serious. You're not even that busy.
When you're done fooling yourself, you brace up.
Did you enjoy the coffee?
I haven't touched it. Because I don't know if it's poisoned. Suspicious.
I added something new there, so I wanted you to have a different kind of taste.
So what did you put in it?
Well, I added honey. Honey contains antioxidants that helps in building the skin cells. And also, it contains pollen. Contains minerals and vitamins, and it's good for your health.
Well, thank you for telling me.
Well, henceforth, please try and use honey and not sugar. I want my man to be strong, sexy, and healthy.
What, your man? Who's your man? Huh?
Francis, I don't understand it. Why are you bringing me gifts? Did I ask you? Did I beg you to bring me gifts?
My love, you don't need to ask me before I could get you a gift. You know, today is a very good day. I made a lot of profit, and all I can think of is to get you a gift.
Listen and listen very good. I'm even surprised. Why are you not getting it that I don't need your gifts? I don't want it. Is it too difficult for you to get? I don't need it. Please, take it and go back.
My love, look at it. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. I didn't know that you were at home. Mama, Shasha, she's not happy. I wonder who must have provoked her and makes her to reject my gift, my marriage proposal either.
I'm sorry about that. But I don't know anything about who provoked her or she being angry. I've told her, cultural fuite, but you mind. She refused to listen. Let her pick from the many suitors that are coming for her. Oju?
Mama, I'm here for her. I'm here for her.
Maybe it's because too many suitors are coming for her hand in marriage. Or is you confused?
Mama, I accepted that. You know, she's so beautiful. Her character is exceptional from others. Mama, I'm short of words. Maybe that's why she's behaving like that.
You don't have to, think like that. You mean a lot to her. Maybe she's confused or she don't know how to put it into words.
Yes, I'm so happy that she recognized me. That's the most important thing. I will be on my way. Yes. Keep this for her. I will come back tomorrow. Maybe by tomorrow she will be in a lighter mood.
See, thank you for this. You don't need to bother yourself. You know we women, we pretend a lot too. And while coming tomorrow, make sure you bring more things. Maybe it will make her change her mind. We like men to admit us, buy us lots of gifts before we now said we are interested. Thank you.
I don't like that. I told you, just leave me alone. What do you mean I should leave you alone? I don't understand, please. Mama, come here.
What do you mean by leave you alone? What did I tell you that will happen to you anytime you talk back at me? What did I tell you?
Mama, is that why you slapped me?
Will you shut up, you ungrateful child? I was pregnant with you when your father died, and I have done everything in order to make sure I raise you to this extent. Why can't you take pity on me? Why can't you help me? Is it asking for too much?
How do you want me to help you? How do you want me to help you? You want me to help you by deceiving my suitors? People that come to me, they want to marry me, they will trust me. Is that how you want me to help? I should deceive them and then play with their emotions. Is that how to help you?
What do you mean by deceive them? What do you mean by that? Your suitors came here. They brought something for you without you asking for it. Why can't you collect? Keep on collecting. If they give you, you collect and give to your mother. Is it asking for too much? Keep on collecting until I say no or until I say stop. Is it no money that we need? Gifts? In order to take care of ourselves? What is your problem?
Do you remember the day we went out for lunch and you asked questions like if she's my ex and if the GM actually slept with her?
Yes, I remember. But she's in your past now. And my advice to you is to let her be in your past.
Absolutely. You're right. But I need to do something very important. And I need your help.
What do you need me to do?
I want to find out, and I want you to help me. I need to find out if she has always been a virgin before she had something to do with the GM.
Anyway, that's fine. I can find out that information. It's an easy task. Because I need to get back at Vincent for hurting my feelings.
Alright.
Let's see what I can do.
What can I get for you? You want something to drink?
No. I'm sorry for raising my hand on you. I'm sorry for slapping you. I want the best for you. You know what your mother have passed through in order to raise you to this extent. It has not been easy for me. All I ask for is for you to help me raise a little token for me. So that when you get married, I will not be a burden to you and your husband.
Mama, why do you keep pushing me into the arms of men you clearly know that I have no feelings for?
You know, you are my only daughter. My only child. I want you to marry so I can come and do a mobile. I want to carry my grandchildren. I want you to marry at this age when time is still on your side.
Mama, you know I am hurt. I am hurt and I need time to heal.
That time is what you do not have in excess. You are now 32. You will soon be approaching your menopause. Listen to your mother. Please, give ear to my advice. Just think about it. I want the best for you. I love you, right?
Chacha. I was waiting for your call, but I didn't see any.
I don't understand what you mean. Did I ever tell you that I was going to call you?
Actually, no. But I came to the house yesterday. I brought you some gifts that I know that a beauty like you will like. But Mama said that you are not around. I told her to let you know that I came, so that you will call and I will hear your beautiful voice.
Okay. Firstly, I don't have your contact. And secondly, I don't call men on phone.
That is it. You don't call men. But you saw Francis yesterday. The both of you met. Tell me, Chacha, what is it that that poor wretched boy can do for you that I, Williams, will not do for you 10 times, even more?
Actually, nothing. Nothing. Richard and I have nothing in common. I actually thank you for your gifts, but please, stop bringing me gifts. Stop.
I will never stop. Did you hear me? I will never stop.
Okay.
I don't know why or what you see in that poor wretched boy. Just look at me now, Odogu. Look at me now. Look at me. I have money. I have everything it takes to take care of you. Yes. And I will do anything within my power to make sure that I have you.
Oh. Within your power. Okay.
I will have you.
What's your problem? What kept you all this while?
You complain about everything, even the slightest of them all.
I'm a businessman and time should be of essence to any good businessman. What do you have for me?
I have all the information on where to find her.
Thank you.
If you need anything, you can call me.
Thank you. Richard, you left a woman that gave you life because she slept with another man. You don't have sense. You don't know what to do and how to handle good women. I pray that she doesn't request for her own pound of flesh by the time I succeed in making her my wife. Yes, what can I do for you? Why are you staring at me that way?
Why did you do that to me? After all the promises. And you want to dump me for that girl?
And who said to you that I'm dumping you for someone else? I just want to fix my life. I intend to make my life more focused.
Oh, Now you want to focus on your life. Her name is Charity. What do you see in that girl that you don't see in me? What does she have that I don't have? What makes her so special?
Good thing you already know her name. And as for the question you asked, what is so special about the girl? I will answer you. This is a girl that slept with me because she wants to give her boyfriend a job. And despite that, I met that girl a virgin. And on that very moment, we had a good share. Having looked at the blood, I started seeing something else in that woman. Unlike you, who is not far away from a hookup queen. Rather, I should call you a whore.
How dare you? How dare you speak to me in that manner after what we've been through?
Can you please leave my
Does that mean no more reconciliation between us?
You heard me. Can you please leave my office? Please, I just want to be more focused, okay? Yeah, God, please. I'm trying to gather my life together, please. Just take yourself out of my office.
You're a very wicked man. And I promise you won't see me again. Don't worry.
What about your job? Are you
So how was the job?
You're walking away from your boss. I just want to be more focused. Is that the problem here? I'm not asking for too much. I just want to be... Oh, gosh, damn it.
Charity!
Hey!
What is it?
Mama?
Is everything okay?
Mama, what do you want?
I need your help inside.
Okay.
She'll soon be out.
Okay, but are you sure she would agree to come out?
You have nothing to worry. She will soon come out.
Oh, there she comes.
Here she is.
Hi, Charity. How are you?
How did you find me?
Oh, both of you know yourself.
Yes, Mama. Actually, we are friends.
Oh.
Very good friends.
Let me allow you to discuss.
Hey, Mama, please, there is nothing to discuss. I just want this man out of this house this minute. Else you will see my madness.
Okay, Charity, just calm down. You asked me a question. How did I find you? I'll tell you this. I must admit that it wasn't easy finding a very special, delicate woman like you, but then it's worth all the sacrifices that I carried out.
You have to calm down.
I came here to see you. Can we talk?
I said, leave this house this minute and you're still standing. You're still standing, right? Hold on a second.
Charity, just give me attention. You don't need to talk. Charity.
No, stay there.
Mama.
Mama what? Mama what?
Charity. Rubbish. Charity, what is the problem?
What is what problem?
Why are you shouting on him?
I know him, right? So let me deal with him myself.
Charity, ina Charity. Eh?
Guys, are you ready?
Yes, we are. We are ready.
Alright. Her name is Charity. What do you see in that girl that you don't see in me? What does she have that I don't have? What makes her so special?
Good thing you already know her name. And as for the question you asked, what is so special about the girl? I will answer you. This is a girl that that slept with me because she wants to give her boyfriend a job. And despite that, I met that girl a virgin. And on that very moment, we had a good share. Having looked at the blood, I started seeing something else in that woman. Unlike you, who is not far away from a hookup queen. Rather, I should call you a whore.
How dare you? How dare you speak to me in that manner after what we've been through?
I can't believe this. I'm so ashamed of myself. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Shit.
Is this the reason you're no longer together with your woman?
Why are you acting as if this is the first time we're hearing of this? And I told you already.
Mr. Richard, you need to go see her tomorrow morning. I am quite sure she will forgive you. I'm sure she still loves you. You need to ask for her forgiveness.
Ulisa,
Yes.
you're a bad friend. I'm going to stay away from you.
This is the kind of love the MD promised me. But what happened? He coerced me into sleeping with him with his sugar-coated, flattering mouth. He wasn't even the one that gave me this job.
I've been trying to heal, but the pain is so unbearable. This love is a crime, and it's holding me prisoner, prisoner. I'm trying to hide, but the memories are keeping me, holding me. This love is a crime,
Richard.
and it's holding me prisoner, prisoner. I'm trying to hide.
Chill. Wait. Give me, don't do this.
Wait,
Give
girl.
me, it's mine now, it's not yours. Stop.
Let me
Why are you taking my... If you want to get some, just tell me what's in. Don't just grab this shit out, man. How did you get in? Oh, everywhere's gone. When did you come?
I'm just coming. Okay. That's it. Okay, yes.
That's a nice whiskey.
But bad for you right now.
Whatever, thank you.
I am sorry. I came to say I am very sorry. I mean, I contributed immensely to whatever is happening now.
Including the whiskey. I'm very sorry.
Yeah, Ulisa, you did nothing wrong. It was all my fault. It was, yeah. I was stupid and selfish not to see that she sacrificed herself for me. She sacrificed everything for me to have a good life. She gave herself in exchange for my life of luxury. Tell me, what woman in this generation would do what she has done? None.
Yeah. You know what? I can go with you tomorrow to go and see her and apologize.
I swear to God, even if it means going on my knees to beg and plead for her forgiveness on your behalf, I will. My judgment was utterly, I can't even say sentimental. It was just foolish.
Pass me the whiskey.
I don't think the whiskey wants to be
Just
passed.
pass it to me, it's fine.
Charity! Mama! Come and check who is at the gate. Someone is hungry. Come and check who is at the gate. Someone is honking.
I came to apologize. I came to say I'm sorry for everything I have done. I'm sorry. I'm so stupid not to have believed you. I don't know what to say, but please forgive me. I have come to right my wrongs. Please. I was so stupid not to have believed you when you told me you were a virgin. Now I know better. I'm so sorry, please.
You're here to say you're sorry because you received a sack letter, right? And that sack letter, you received it because I turned down his marriage proposal.
Babe, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. He was a devil. He was, listen, it's not entirely how it played out. Did you say Mr. Vincent was here today?
Let's just forget about what I said. Tell me the reason you're here, please.
I'm here to apologize to you with all my heart.
No.
I've come to say I'm sorry, and I promise never to do that again. Please forgive me. Give me a second chance, please.
Yeah, Richard. My daughter sacrificed her purity to get you a job and you abandoned her like that? Will you shut up, you ungrateful man?
Please.
My daughter did this. You abandoned her that she almost killed herself because of you.
I'm sorry, please. Charity, talk to your mother. I'm sorry. It's not entirely my... Say something!
That's what I'm Charity, please. Forgive me. Forgive us. It was entirely my... Go on your knees. Go on your knees. Yes. Go on your knees. Why did you do that thing? Charity, please, we are very sorry.
What are you sorry about? What are you sorry about?
I told him you are not a virgin. I convinced myself that there is no virgin that passes through the university, and I also sold that idea to him.
That's enough! Shut up!
Sorry.
Just say you're sorry.
We are very sorry.
You are sorry.
I am sorry. Please.
Stupid boy, man.
Mama, please, we are very sorry.
Charity, please forgive me.
Please forgive
Listen,
me.
I was stupid to have listened to someone I called my friend.
It was a mistake.
Please, I promise I'll never do anything to hurt you again. Just give me a second chance, please. Please.
Charity, please.
Charity, please. Please.
Forgive us. Mama, sorry.
We're sorry, man. Please.
What happened? You and Richard are late to work today.
Richard did not come to work today, and he called him for the leave, so he's at home.
Oh, wow. What happened? Is he still regretting what he did to Charity?
Oh, no, not at all. As a matter of fact, I went with him to go and plead with Charity.
Oh.
The good news is she has forgiven him and they are back together.
What?
Yes, they are.
Wow. I'm so happy for them, really. You know, I've seen so many men, but Richard was one of the most unhappiest men I've ever met.
I'll tell you what, he really loved Charity. At some point, he just allowed his ego to take over his judgment. That was all.
Man. Anyway, that's by the way, but can I go see them today though? Maybe after work.
Sure, why not? Considering the fact that you played a key role in their coming back together, of course you deserve to.
I'm taking all the glory.
Of course, why not? Alrighty.
I'm headed somewhere, I'm coming.
You? Oh, really? Okay then.
See you later.
Alright.
Later.
Bye.
Does it mean she still loves you? I don't think so. But why is she not giving me all the attention required? I thought it's often said that women have strong attachment to men who disvirgin them. So what's going on? Well, in this case, I don't think Richard is important. Oh, maybe I have to change my strategy. Maybe I should just keep being nice to her and also keep being nice to the mother. And before you know it, before anyone can say Jack, she's mine. Charity. Richard is not important. I can't keep thinking of him.
Babe, isn't this the wrong wine glass?
Yeah, right? It should be.
No, it's not. Oh, it is. It is. Oh, someone
Hi,
is there.
Ray.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You alright?
Oh, sweet darling. I heard from Olisai to go back together, so
Right.
I had to rush to come congratulate you guys and thank you for being such a great woman.
Sorry, my manners, babe. So this is Cindy. Cindy is actually my colleague, and she's one of the victims of my boss's harassment. She's actually the one who recorded his confession.
Oh,
yes.
I actually thought you guys were together.
No.
Richard is not my spec. He's too modest. I love my man, wild and crazy, with a little touch of humor. But thank you for coming back to him.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you for helping me.
Okay, never mind. I did it for myself. You know, I would not rest until I take Vincent down. He wants to leave me for a virgin girl, right? Tonja goes on fire around.
It's okay. It's okay, you know. I'm glad Kama did its work. Kama sure knows when to act.
Yeah, you're right. You know what, guys? Let's hang out. Bills on me.
Oh, in that case, let me call Lisa.
Alright.
Can I call him?
You can.
Alright, he should tag along.
Let me check out my book.
Okay.
Mama. Judith. Mama, how are you?
I'm fine. Mama, is Chacha inside?
No, she went out. She went out since morning and she's supposed to be back by now. I don't know. Yes.
This one, she's sounding like this. It's like Chacha has finally accepted her fate and accepts one man.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, sure, Mama. Everything is fine. I wanted to see her, but since she's not home, I'll just get going.
Okay.
I'll call her and
No problem. Bye-bye.
Mama, I'll be on my way.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Charity!
Yeah, hi. How are you? I'm sure she went.
Yeah, she went to look for me.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Right.
Wait, Judith.
Yeah?
Are you serious about what you just told me right now? You mean Chacha and Richard are back together again after everything that happened?
I am very certain about it, and it gladdens my heart. See, Chacha deserves to be at the center of Richard's success. Tina, that girl made him.
You're right. It's not like I'm not happy for both of them, but then, if I were to be Chacha, I will give Richard conditions that will make him never to leave me ever again. It's very simple.
But what condition or demand will be greater than marriage?
Yeah.
You're as if you want to know what I wanted to say.
That's because I know that. Okay, let's say, I think they're working towards it.
They should.
Richard might propose again.
The best thing for both of them is just to get my settled down and forget about all this wahala and all of that.
Are you the one saying this?
Of course.
Street girl.
Stop. No, now.
Street
What's today? My baby girl has to.
You have the audacity to come to my house after everything you did and everything you said to me. What for? I don't understand it.
I just want you to know that I'm sorry.
You're sorry? You treated me like a harlot. So why are you here? What do you want?
Charity, I know that my sight irritates you. I understand that you're upset with me. But I want you to understand that after the first time I had an encounter with you, I can't seem to get you off my mind. Please. All I'm saying is that you please forgive me. And also, please, marry me. Please. I beg you. Please marry me. Please.
Yes, I'll marry you, baby. Yes, I am going to marry you. Thank you, love.
Okay.
Yes, coming.
Hello, sir. You sent for me?
Sit.
Oh, thank you.
I'll be brief with this. I want you to leave Charity for me. I want to marry her. I would love to make her my wife. I know you both have things in common in the past. But I want to tell you officially. Leave her for me. I want to marry her.
Sir, that's very impossible. Charity and I, we've been together for 9 years. And we intend to take our relationship to the next level. So I suggest you find someone else. Sir.
What if I offer you the sum of 20 million? And also ensure that you're promoted as a regional manager. I will force that promotion to happen.
Thank you very much for your concern, sir. But I'm not interested. Sir, I was actually busy before you sent for me. I'd like to go back to work.
I gave you that same work. And you know I can take it back.
I know, sir. But I'm sorry. I have to go.
Okay, that's not a problem. We all know that there's always a constraint to every objective function. Trust me, I'll handle all of it. Thank you very much. Okay, all right. Thank you, sir. Mr. Richard.
Yes, sir.
My offer remains. What do you still have to say?
Unfortunately, my answer still remains no, sir.
Is that your final answer?
Without a doubt, sir.
Well, I'm pleased to announce to you that the company has transferred you to Cameroon. You're expected to report to work by next week. I'll confirm your letter this evening and you will receive it in your mail.
I'm not surprised, sir. pack my things. I'll get ready to head to Cameroon, sir.
Enjoy your stay in Cameroon.
I will, sir. Enjoy the rest of your day, sir.
Cameroon is a beautiful place.
I know, sir. I've been there twice.
I will frustrate you in this company that you would regret ever meeting me.
You think you're smart? I'm way smarter than you.
What do you say you want me to do for you?
My name is Lucy Donuts, sir.
Okay.
I'm here in search of a job opportunity.
Ah, I see. So where are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Abia State. Oh, okay. Can you stand up? Well, the thing is that there is no job here at the moment. But if you could see me later at Street Point Hotel by 6 p.m., maybe I would go through the necessary file and see if I can find you one.
Can I?
Absolutely. Sit.
Sir, I really need this job. I am desperate for it, and I am willing to do anything just to get an opportunity.
It's okay. Like I said, maybe when I see you later this evening, I will see if there's a job I can offer you here. But at the moment, there's none. But let's see how the evening goes. You see, your response in the evening would tell me if I should create an emergency space for you in this facility.
Okay, sir. Will I be coming to the restaurant or the bar?
When you get there, we'll find out.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you did transport. I need to do transport for computer. Oh man. What are we waiting for? Come on.
Oh, come on, man.
Let's go.
Wait.
You know what? Take my clothes off, please. Just strip this off.
Not yet.
It's a massive moment. What are we still waiting for? I mean, go ahead and strip me.
You have not given me what I came here for, so we cannot do the do unless you do.
Wait. Are you trying to undermine my position here? Like you don't believe me when I say that I'm going to give you the job I promised you. Is that it?
That's not it, darling.
No, is that a problem?
The truth is, you have to show me working. And that is by giving me my appointment later. That will put my mind at rest.
You're wasting time. Listen, we have all the time for all of this. You don't need to undermine anything I say. Let me tell you something. In my place of work, my position is very, very sensitive. My company cannot function without me.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. Do you know that without my words, the headquarters cannot make any decision?
That's massive, babe.
Let me shock you. I will leak a secret to you that I've never told anyone before. The most vital document of my workplace is my house.
Are you serious?
Yes. And have a look at you. With the way you're looking, you befit a permanent ghost worker for life.
Hold on. I have a surprise for you.
Wait, baby. Okay. This is massive, baby. It's a massive moment. Okay.
Hold on. The surprise.
Oh, sure.
Surprise!
It's a massive moment, baby. I'm alright, like. What's going on? Hey! Remove the camera, Ogana! Remove the camera! Stop this!
Officer, that's
Please, just remove the camera. I am married, Ogana. I am married. Please, off the camera.
You are under arrest for sexual molestation. For your own good, you have to remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against me in the court of law.
Officer, please. I have a family. Just
officer, let's take it.
Tell them to put off the camera, please. Put off the camera.
Take it away. Let's go.
Please.
and advise you cooperate with me. Oya, move!
Just put up the camera, put up the camera! Put up the camera, please! Put up the camera, put up the camera!
You need to hold him.
I have to run away, hold him!
Do you ever love me like you said before? Do you really love me like you claimed I thought? If it was real, how can this be happening to us? Oh, to us. If it was real, how can you break my heart this way? Oh, this love is a crime, and it's holding me prisoner, prisoner. I'm trying to hide, but the memories are keeping me, holding me. This love is a crime, and it's holding me prisoner, prisoner. I'm trying to hide, but the memories are keeping me, holding me. Yeah, after everything we've been through, now I doubt if it was true. Now I'm feeling pain that I can't escape, all because of love. It's so impossible to move on without you. I've been trying to heal, but the pain is so unbearable. This love is a crime, and it's holding